Matrix addition and subtraction. Before we begin, we need to define the two matrices that we will be referring to throughout these definitions and examples. So we need to let A equal A sub ij, where A is a matrix that has rows and columns I and j, and B equals B sub ij, where B is another matrix that has rows and columns I, j. And we're going to let them be matrices of order m by n. So in more depth, we are going to define matrix addition using symbols. When we define matrix addition, we need to just say A plus B, because A is the first matrix and B is the second matrix. And that equals A sub ij plus B sub ij. And what that really means, if we are looking at defining this in words, is that matrices of the same order are added by adding corresponding elements. So let's take a look at an example or two here. Let's say we have a matrix 1, negative 2, 3, 5, plus negative 1, 6, 0, 4. Notice how both of these matrices are of the order 2 by 2. They each have 2 columns and 2 rows, so we know that we can add them. So all that we need to do is add the corresponding elements in each matrix. So we can see here that we can add 1 plus negative 1, negative 2 plus 6, 3 plus 0, and 5 plus 4. And that would reduce to give us a final matrix of 0, 4, 3, 9. Now let's take a look at matrix subtraction, which works pretty much the same way. We can subtract matrices A minus B equals A sub ij minus B sub ij. So once again, all that really means is that matrices of the same order are subtracted by subtracting corresponding elements. So let's take a look at an example. Let's say we have two matrices, 1, negative 2, 3, 5, minus negative 1, 6, 0, 4. We can subtract these matrices by subtracting corresponding elements. So we could subtract 1 minus negative 1, negative 2 minus 6, 3 minus 0, and 5 minus 4. So we could rewrite that as 1 minus negative 1, 2, or negative 2 minus 6, 3 minus 0, and 5 minus 4, which would reduce to 2, -8, 3, 1. We started off with two 2 by 2 matrices, and we end up with a 2 by 2 matrix.